In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make corrections to your income accounts within QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or taking care of your own financial records, it's crucial to ensure your accounts are accurately set up and maintained. By the end of this guide, you'll feel confident in editing your income accounts and reclassifying past transactions if necessary, which ensures your bookkeeping stays accurate and up to date. First, let's start by logging in to QuickBooks Online. Open your preferred web browser, and for the most seamless experience, I recommend using Google Chrome. Head over to the QuickBooks Online login page, which you can find at qbo.intuit.com. When you arrive at this page, you'll need to enter your email and password to access your account. It's important to double-check your credentials to avoid any login issues. Once you're logged in, we'll move on to accessing the chart of accounts. To get to the chart of accounts, you'll want to look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this gear icon will open a drop-down menu. Under the section labeled Your Company, you'll find the option for Chart of Accounts. Selecting this will take you to a list of all the accounts you've created within QuickBooks. Now let's find the specific income account that needs correcting. You can either scroll through this list manually, which is helpful if you have a visual memory of the account's position, or for quicker access, you can use the search bar located at the top. Once you've located the income account in question, click the drop-down arrow next to the account. This will reveal additional options. You'll want to select Edit to open the account details for editing. In the Account Details window, take a look at the Account Name field. If there is a mistake, or if you voluntarily want to rename it, now's the time to make those changes. Next, there is a drop-down named Detail Type. Ensure you select the most appropriate type that matches the nature of your income, as it helps in maintaining accurate reports. Additionally, it's a good practice to add a description to clarify what this account is used for. This can be helpful for future reference or if others access this information. After you've made all necessary corrections, go ahead and click the Save and Close button to save your changes. QuickBooks will now update all future transactions to reflect these changes, ensuring accuracy moving forward. However, you might also need to reclassify existing transactions that have already been recorded under the wrong income account. To do this, navigate to Accounting and then back to the Chart of Accounts. Find the affected account and click Run Report to generate a list of all its transactions. For each transaction, you'll need to edit it, changing the income account to the corrected one. Although this might be a meticulous task, especially for businesses with extensive transaction histories, it's an essential step for maintaining the integrity of your financial data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can ensure your income accounts in QuickBooks Online are accurate, helping you achieve clear and precise financial records for your business.